Today it is Sunday and I am heading out to go to my parents' house. I sing happy birthday to my brother's fiance, and I also need to clean my car. Driver's seat where I sit the most. Somehow this past year got very dirty. I don't know what the fuck happened. So I need to clean that, and I bought, which is carpet and upholstery cleaner. I don't know. I saw it on TikTok and you just like spray it and scrub it. My parents' house, I do have a vacuum that cleans like couches and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be using that. It is currently 10:33. I'm a little bit late than when I wanted to get out there. I am wearing my Budweiser sweatset from Paxson. This is literally one of my favorite ones. I love the color, I love the fit. And I need my phone too. This is so good. My phone. I have like $12 cash, so I said I'm just gonna give them that and put that amount on my card because I do have some gas on my car. Luckily it's not fully empty. I made it back home, so I wanted to show you the things that I brought. Mini sewing machine. So this I've had for a long time. I've never really properly used it, so that's what's there. And then here I have my pasta, and my mom gave me some Lunchables that she had bought. I stole some lollipops because I fucking love lollipops, and then she gave me the toast. And then I got another lollipop. And then here's a sweatshirt that she got me. It says Disneyland because that's where they went. And it's like nicely embroidered. And I really like it because it is thin. It's gonna be good for like this type of weather. And they gave me a size XL. And as you can see, it's very big and oversized. I just love how simple it is, but I also love the colors. Look how pretty they are. Very like vintagey 80s, 90s vibes. So yeah, that's what I got. I am so exhausted. Like, you have no idea. I'm going to wear these glasses because they just give something to my outfit. I'm literally wearing a sweatshirt, my Levi's jeans, and my Boston clocks. Alright, I'm already late to work because I could not wake up today. It was a struggle. So I have my donation bags that I'm supposed to take down. I don't feel like doing that, so we're not gonna do that. Let's go to the office. Whoa. It is currently Sunday next week and I'm just doing breakfast. I have my lamp here for like better lighting. I don't know if that's working, but I did toast. I have my coffee. Let's actually taste my coffee because I don't know how it's gonna taste. Oh my god, this is strong. Ugh. 0 out of 10. Ugh. Ugh. This is all dirty. Been raining a lot lately. Like, we had a beautiful day on Thursday, I believe, or Friday. And then maybe Wednesday. I forgot. And then it went downhill from there. Like, I don't know what happened. Ugh. What the fuck? And then people wonder why the fuck I always order online, because what the fuck is that? I'm ordering McDonald's. I ordered McDonald's for dinner yesterday, but this is why I always order online, because I tried to make my breakfast. My coffee tasted like shit and my toast tasted like shit. So it is later in the day. I unfortunately had to order food because I'm just like, sometimes I get into this like mood where I don't want to do anything. And all I want to do is just stay in my apartment and crawl in a bowl. Usually happens a week before my period, but I am currently at the end of my period. Usually by this time I feel amazing, I feel great, I feel like life is worth living. So I'm a little bit confused. Anyways, I bought this because my shower has been clogging and the water has not been draining. So I thought this would be good to use. Okay, so let's use the whole bottle, but I need to use this on my sink as well. Hair eliminator, because obviously I have a lot of hair. And I do my hair on my bathroom, on my sink. This will help me out with my current episode. Y'all know these are so good. If they ever get rid of these, I am gonna cry, throw up, and it would just not be good. I also have a Depop order that I haven't been able to drop off. So I'm gonna wait until tomorrow because tomorrow I can drop it off in the lobby of my apartment and they'll pick it up, which is amazing. So I'll send it over tomorrow. And let's do the situation right now. Not super even, but even like right now, I brushed my hair yesterday when I washed it. And look at all the hair. So I'm gonna do half and half. Do I have to shake it? Let's read the instructions. It just says pour. I don't even know what half is, but just a little bit. Oh, I can see it, I can see it. Okay, now we see my liquid substance. Okay, did it. Is there like a time? 50 minutes. Let's wait 50 minutes and then we'll see. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes. All right, the timer just went off. Let's see what happens once we pour. Oh, it smells really bad. Hot water. It worked. It worked. So if you're having issues with your sink and with your shower and you know it's because of hair, buy this. It was like $5 from Amazon. I didn't use it properly. I did a little bit on my sink and then the rest on my shower, and that seemed to work. It got rid of it. It got rid of the hair. Disintegrated it. Goodbye. Everything's working now perfectly fine. So 10 out of 10. Do recommend. Y'all, I just got my Shein. I look like shit, but it is what it is. I haven't ordered from Shein. I'm not a big supporter of Shein, and now with like the tariff and less, but I got it before the tariff, so fuck you, Trump. A lot of nail stuff, which is why I'm so excited, and a few clothing items. I think everything should be in here, so let's see. I'm so excited about this. I didn't know it was gonna be this material, but this is gonna be so cute for work. A little bit see-through. I didn't thought of that, but it is like a vest top, but I love the neckline. Some of my nail tools. Oh, I like this material. Oh, this is gonna be so good for work. It does look a little bit small. There's another black top here. That has paper. Oh, this one's also so cute. I really like this one too, and I can wear this to France too. I just need tops that are like this. Literally, I spend $50 on all of this. Maybe less than $50. This is so beautiful. Wait, hold. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Look how pretty this is. It looks like a grandma's sweater. So I got a few stickers because you can get this on Amazon, but they're like $10. These were like $1 or less than $1 each. So I got this. I didn't know I got them in white. I thought I had them in black too, but the square, the checker pattern. I got some stars. I don't know what's in here. Oh, yes. Wow, this is so small. Are these gonna work? I got magnets so I can cut my nails the same size. I mean, that was like 50 cents, so I got a little utensil so I can put my stickers on because I use my actual plugging thing. I got this for behind the door because I want to hang my bags, and you guys know that my hooks did not work. What's this? Sunglasses, not good quality. I mean, they were $1. I don't know what I was expecting. These are small. Wait, they look kind of cool. Not the best quality, but they're slaying. And then, oh, these are so pretty. I forgot I got this. I got gem stickers. Similar to what I have now, but with gems. So I don't know what the fuck's happening there. Yo, I'm obsessed. This is so cute. It fits so, I didn't button all the way, but it fits so good. Oh shit. Like, hello. Like, what? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with jeans. Such an easy thing to throw on and just keep it moving. Top number 2. Adorable. My biggest issue is like my boobs are out. Like if I want to wear this to work is always an issue, but it fits so cute. Oh my god. Okay, here's my other top. I thought this one was gonna be like really not fit me. It literally fits perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. It does have like a weird material like flopping everywhere, so I might have to cut that down, but such a cute top. And then I have my Forever 21 order coming in that has so many cute stuff too. So I am very excited about them too. It is finally a sunny day. It is Monday today, the next day. And I got my order from American Eagle, so let's open it up. I have 2 packages. I'm very scared of these pair of jeans. These are like the barrel jeans. I think I might have need. These are the barrel jeans. They're really cute. They're very dark wash. Are these regular? These are gonna be so short. I'm gonna look like an idiot. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to return these. I already can tell. I'm gonna look so bad. Oh, I didn't realize they were short. I mean, they're not short, they're regular, but that for this style, I know they're gonna be short. I have this big box. I am very excited about this. And I think this one's it. I really wanted this one in red, but the red one sold out. But it's just like a maxi skirt and it's flowy, but I really like how the band is thicker. And then it has a matching top, so I had to get a matching top. But I didn't want it to be fitted, so I think this is gonna fit really cute. And I got 2 pair of jeans. What's this? Oh, I'm excited about this too. I've had this in my cart for so long. And it was on clearance, which is why I bought it. All of this was on sale. And I think, again, this is going to be such a good, cute top to wear to Paris with jeans. It's going to be kind of cold and chilly. So this with jeans, I think it's going to look super cute and very classy put together. Yeah, this is perfect. Like a thinner sweater. Just looks like that. Really cool. I was going to buy a tank top that matched that, but I was going over budget, so I decided not to buy it. The whole purpose for this order was to buy jeans whatsoever. So I got this. I got the barrel jeans. I think these are gonna be a fail because they're gonna be too short. Then I got this super high-rise ankle straight. Oh, these are also regular. Did I order these on regular? Oh no, these are gonna be so short. Maybe that's the vibe. These are supposed to be stretchy, so I got them in a size 12. These are questionable. They literally have like no stretch. But this is a strigid. If you know anything about strigid, they are the worst pair of jeans American Eagle has invented, and they keep creating them. But these are supposed to be like a straight leg. Oh, these are way too wide on the legs. What the fuck did I buy? Let's try this on because I was going for like a mom jean kind of vibe. I don't think I got that, so I need to try this on. They all fit so bad, like literally so bad. One of them fits very well, but then I don't like how the bottom looks. It's too wide. The other ones don't fit me. The other ones fit me, like the barrel jeans, and that's like the ugliest thing I've ever put on my body. Hi everyone, I haven't vlogged in a very long time, so I don't know where this is gonna go in a vlog. I just haven't been doing it. Just has not been a good time. I've been rotting in my couch for weeks. Obviously I go to work and all that, but I've been also shopping. I haven't shopped in a very long time because you guys know I've been trying to be very good at not shopping like I used to, but because I'm going to France in literally 2 weeks, I cannot believe that. I've been buying some last minute stuff that I needed, so I want to show you guys what I got. And then the other thing that's pending for me, it is my brother's wedding dress. I need to figure that one out. So with the top, I got this top. I love the style of this top. It reminds me of something that you'll find at like Free People. Look how cute this is, and look at the back. How am I running out of battery already? That's crazy. Cute. So I got 2 pair of jeans that are size 12 long, so they better fucking fit. These are super high-rise straight with stretch. Oh, these have a good stretch. Yes. I did want it like darker, more of like a medium wash, but like those are like impossible to find. If I find a color, they're either sold out, they don't have my size, or is the wrong style. So I got this one because I do like American Eagle straight jeans. They feel really good. And these ones look very promising. I'm very excited about these. Cannot wait to try. And then I got a boyfriend fit. I think this is like ex-boyfriend fit, which I love these jeans from American Eagle. They're great. I typically would have gone a 14 on these, but oh, these are stretchy too. People said that they fit big online and they're low-waisted, so I was like, let me just go down a size, because what I'm looking for in my jeans is to be fitted. I want them to be fitted on the top part and then straight leg, which usually a mom jean will give you that, but it's so hard to find fucking mom jeans currently. It is very difficult. So I think these 2 styles are gonna fit me really well. I'll try them on and report back to you guys. Hi all, I just got back from work. Me and my friends went to try to see anything from the Boston Marathon, but everyone was already almost done. We just saw like a few people at the end and that was it. But I just got my sneakers for my trip to France. It is cute, but I just wanted more. They're just cream. They're pretty. I don't love the light blue. That's like the one thing that I'm like, I wish it was like black or something. But hopefully these are gonna be comfortable.